Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Microsoft Photos app not working on Windows 11. So, if the Photos app is not opening or not working on your photos that you try to open, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So, first you need to actually open the Start menu, and now you need to search for the settings from the search bar, or you can just open it from here. After that, you need to search for Add or Remove Apps. I'll see from here, add or remove programs, you can click on it. And now from here, you need to actually search for the Photos app. So, from here you can just click on the three dots and go to Advanced Options. So, if you scroll down, you'll find two options. The first one is Repair and the second is Reset. You can just click on Repair, and from here it will actually try to repair the app. So, if this didn't fix your issue, you can try to reset it from here. After it finishes, you can try to open the Photos app. If it doesn't actually work with you, you can try to uninstall it from here, and then you can just go to Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store on the Start menu. I'll see from here you can just search for Microsoft Photos. I'll see from here, and from here you can just install it after you uninstalled it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.